Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how to create a table and how to insert data into our table and what is where condition. Getting started with creating a table. Let's select the new query and I have a database called the learning DB as my database and I am going to create my table in the database learning DB. For creating a table, we use create statement. See here, create table and the name of the table, employees. We have given the name of the table. Now we have to give the column names or the fields we want to be in our table. The first column name is employee ID and what is the data type. I'm using data type integer and primary key. I want the column name employee ID as primary key. The primary key constraint is which is uniquely identified each record in a table. The primary key must contain unique value and should not have any duplicate values and cannot contain any null values. Comma. The second column is first name and the data type is varchar. Maximum length of the character is 255. Next column is last name. The data type is varchar. And salary. The data type is float. Here I have created a table with the table name employees and I have given the column names employee ID, first name, last name and salary. Let us execute this query. Command completed successfully. Let us check how the table is created. We use select statement, select star from employees. Here the table has been created with the column names employee ID, first name, last name and salary. This is the structure of my table. Now let us see how to insert data into our table. We use insert into and the name of the table employees values and do remember the column names. The first column name is employee id. Employee id is 1 comma and the first name. The next column name is first name. Here the first name is a varchar. We should give the varchar value in single quotation. Suresh is my first name, comma, the last name, Kumar. Salary is 35,000. Let us execute this query. One row is affected. Select star from employees. Let us execute this query and check the data in our table. The data has been inserted into a table with employee ID as 1, first name Suresh, last name Kumar, and salary is 35,000. Now let us insert few more rows into our table. Employee ID 2, first name is Pawan, second name is Kumar, and salary is 40,000. The next few more rows, employee ID is 3, Surya, first name, Krishna, second name, salary 45,000. Employee ID 5, name Madhu, second name Priya. The salary is 45,000. Employee ID is N, first name Rahul, second name Varma, 50,000. Let's execute query. Now select, check whether the data is inserted or not. Select star from employees. Totally I have 5 rows in my table. This is how we do insert data into our table. Now let's see what are the conditions and how do we work on these tables. Suppose for an example, I have a table with name employees with the columns employee ID, first name, last name, and salary. Now I want only the columns first name and last name into a separate table. Let us see how do we work on that. We use select statement, the column names first name, comma, and the last name from the table employees. This is my query. I have been selected the columns first name and last name from the table employees. Let us execute this query. It was the first name and last name we have. Now if I want also the salary, now we can just give the salary in column name in select statement. We have selected first name, last name, salary from employees table. Let us execute this query. I have the column names first name, last name, and salary has been selected from my table employees. Now let us see what is where condition. Where condition is used to extract the data the where we mentioned in a condition. What are the things we have mentioned in the condition? It will extract only those specific data. Let us see an example. Select first name, comma, last name from table employees where the salary of the employee is equal to 40,000. This is my query. I have selected the first name and the last name from the employees table where the salary equal to 40,000. It should, if we executed the query, it should give the fields first name Surya, last name Krishna from the table with the salary name 40,000. Let us execute this query. See, it has given the first name and the last name Pawan Kumar, whose salary is equal to 40,000. Let us see one more example. We have selecting first name and the last name from employees where the salary is greater than 40,000. Let us execute this query. We have three records whose salary is greater than 40,000. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video.